Hey guys, wanna know how to fix missing Meta AI on your WhatsApp? Let me show you how to fix it. Now follow this simple tutorial step by step. So firstly, let's check for any updates. So to do this, just open either an App Store or Google Play Store depending on your device. Go to the search tab at the bottom, open the search field at the top, and now search for the WhatsApp app. Now here, enter the first link right there and look for the update option located just where this blue button is. Now, if you do not see the update option, this means that you have the latest update installed or it isn't currently available for your device or your region. Now, what you also can do is just try to clear cache or just reinstall the app. So to do this, just exit your App Store or Google Play Store app, open the settings of your device, and if you're using an Android, just go to the list of the apps, or if you're using an iPhone, just go to the general section right there, marked with the gear icon. Now, when inside, go to the iPhone storage, and here you will see the list of the apps. Now, in the list of the apps, find WhatsApp and open it. So when inside, click on the offload app option and confirm at the bottom. And if you're using an Android, just click on the clear cache option. So now let's just try to reinstall the app. So exit the settings, find the WhatsApp on your page, just click and hold it and complete all of the processes to delete the app. Now reinstall the app, and if none of the steps work, the update with the Meta AI may just not be available in your region. So that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more tips.